So overall, I am fairly happy with it. Seems to be doing exactly what it was designed to do. The reason I made this is I want to be able to place items on it, have it rotate 360 degrees, do it smoothly. So for a few reasons. One is I can showcase the projects that I do. Two is I can scan items with LiDAR and map it out to make 3D objects. Well, if you've made it this far in the video, I do appreciate you watching and following along. So when it comes to DIY projects, make things like this, it's more, once out of necessity, it's more so I just enjoy doing projects, and I do enjoy the outcome from some of these. So this does have embedded magnets in the top of this. Didn't make different things like this, for example. I can sit a phone in it. That way I can sit in the center of the room, hit the button, and have it scan the whole room. I do plan on making other attachments for this as well. But yeah, I do want to thank you for following along. Let's go ahead and jump into the code. Now this is pretty basic. You can change it for your needs. Some of this I left in here even though I'm not really using. If you're familiar with ESPHome whatsoever, you'll notice that I do not have API. I removed API just because this is going to be sitting on a shelf quite a bit, and when it's not plugged in, I don't want to show those devices unavailable. So for the purpose of this video, I'll get rid of these buttons. What that leaves me with is code here for, well, starting from the beginning. Let's see, we have Wi-Fi, captive Porto, and OTA. I do want to be able to update this and reflash it over the air. We have our stepper motor platform along with the pins. We have our binary sensor, and that is the switch on the unit. And then we have we have one virtual switch. So when you hit the onboard button, it toggles that virtual switch back and forth. When that virtual switch goes on, it sets the stepper to target 8300. When you turn it off, it sets it to 0. So that's what gets it to move back, forward and back. Up here, if we want to change the speed of it for max speed, steps per second, you can change that. If you want to move quicker, you can move it up to 500, I believe. So, like I said, code is fairly simple. I'll go ahead and paste that down below. So, once again, if you stuck this far along, I appreciate it. Please leave a comment. Thank you very much. All right, so it looks like there's more going on here than what's truly going on here. So, I will show you a wiring schematic. Let's go ahead and throw this together. Some crazy glue there for the button. Oop, got a little bit on my hand. All right, hopefully that will dry soon. All right, let's go ahead and feed. Get that out of the way. Oh. All right. This is just a 5-volt power supply. Some heat shrinks. All right. Siren iron should be nice and warm at this point. All right. Pull that back for a moment. All right, hopefully now I can go ahead and plug this in. All right, just give you a little visual indicator. The top part is still printing, so you won't see that in the assembly portion of it. So hit the button again.